Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Asbestos Removal Newcastle. I'm your host, David, and today we're diving deep into a topic of paramount importance for our community, especially in vibrant Mayfield, New South Wales. We're highlighting the crucial role of professional asbestos removal. Asbestos Removal Newcastle provides extensive, compliant services tailored for both residential and commercial properties. Our team, fully licensed and certified, guarantees that all asbestos is handled with the utmost safety, adhering to stringent protocols and local regulations. We pride ourselves on not just effectively removing these hazardous materials, but also disposing of them in an environmentally responsible manner, truly safeguarding your family and the entire community. We deliver fast, efficient, and thorough services that minimize disruption, all backed by our deep understanding of local building structures and common asbestos risks. Trust our experts to manage your concerns with professionalism and care, allowing you to return to your normal life quickly and safely. Now, why should you entrust us with such a critical task? When it comes to asbestos removal, you genuinely deserve a team you can absolutely trust, and that's precisely what Asbestos Removal Newcastle offers. Our fully licensed and certified professionals ensure your safety and compliance with local regulations are top priorities. We recognize Newcastle's unique asbestos challenges, allowing us to tailor our services for any project, big or small. Our fast, efficient approach minimizes disruption, getting you back to your routine swiftly. We don't just remove asbestos, we guarantee its safe, responsible disposal, protecting your family and environment. This is because your health and safety must always be the top priority. Asbestos fibers are tiny, invisible, and can linger, easily inhaled, potentially leading to serious health issues. Disturbing it yourself is a major risk, so engaging accredited professionals is paramount for proper management and disposal, ensuring your environment remains safe. Now, let's address a few vital questions. Firstly, what if you suspect asbestos in your home? The most important thing is, do not disturb it. Instead, contact a licensed asbestos removal professional immediately. They'll safely assess and test the materials. Secondly, how do you know our service is safe and compliant? Our team is fully licensed and certified by authorities like SafeWork NSW, and we rigorously follow all safety protocols for responsible disposal. We serve all property types, residential homes, commercial buildings, schools, tailoring solutions to your specific needs. Remember, removing asbestos isn't just a task, it's a vital investment in your family's long-term well-being. It provides immense peace of mind, enhances property value, and proactively protects against future health risks. So, breathe easy with safe asbestos removal. Contact us today for a free quote, and let's protect your home and family. Don't delay. Make that